Hey guys, it's Jamie with TechNation again, bringing you one more live update today. I wanted to take a moment and show you something really cool and fun that we're doing at this MD Expo Houston. You'll see the sign behind me. It is a career center powered by HTMjobs.com. That's a niche job board for our HTM and biomedical industry. And we have a really fun YP event inside too. The YP is the Young Professionals at MD Expo. They have some crazy networking events, and I think they're having a happy hour inside. Let's go ahead and take a look. So you'll see as people start to trickle in, we just ended our exhibit hall next door that was filled with vendors. I know you got a sneak peek a little earlier. So as people come in, some of the things that they can take advantage of as you look around the room, we have some employer networking set up where the YPs are hanging out. They've got some drinks for you and some information on that 40 under 40. The deadline for applications is going to be April 28th. 40 under 40, of course, is going to be the second annual class of 40 individuals under the age of 40 that are in the biomedical and HTM community. You can go to onetechnation.com to find more information about that. And of course, as you circulate around the room, you'll see some mock interviews that are being powered by our friends at CBET, the College of Biomedical Engineering Technology. We also have some professional development, resume writing that's going to be with the Better Biomed, Justin Barber. And over here in the corner, we have professional headshots because yes, that LinkedIn headshot does matter when you're looking for another position. And over here, one of my favorite things, we have a collaboration with HTM on the Line, Brian Hawkins, and the Bearded Biomed, Chase Torres, is also here doing some interviews of individuals that pop in. So whether you're looking for a job or you're looking to network or you're a young professional, stop in at the Career Center today. They're going to be here till about 7 or 7:30. It's in the Town Center Ballroom. If you want more information, we'll put some down below so you can find out about all of these products and associations and companies that I mentioned. All right, we're wrapping up the first day of MD Expo. You can tell it has been a long day. We have worked hard. Like I said, over 950 people are joining us. So stay tuned tomorrow. We're gonna see a lot of live updates from the exhibit hall, some education, and a disco rodeo. That's right, we're gonna have a light up cactus, we're gonna have a DJ, and we're really gonna celebrate a great time here in Houston. I'll see you tomorrow.